Hi, my name is Wes. Welcome to my plant design studio in Needham, Mass. Come on in. Welcome to the plant design studio. This is my brain in a space. We are not a plant shop. We are truly a design studio where any plant that you purchase from us is truly hand designed by us. I don't make the same design twice. We're a team of 5 or 6 grinding people. We make everything with our own 2 hands. So when you come in, you pick up truly a one-of-a-kind piece of art. So it's hard to explain my eye for design because I feel like I don't know all the fancy words. I did not go to design school, but I know what looks good, I know what I like, and I know how to create a vision that my clients love. All right, so I was like kind of born into the life, I would say. My mom had plants, my grandmother had plants. I grew up with them. I didn't really care for them much. But when the pandemic hit, I literally thought the world was gonna run out of food. So I taught myself how to garden, and I shared that experience on Instagram. So one thing kind of led to another with people asking me to come decorate their houses. And then I was doing businesses and events, and it turned into this beautiful thing that is now Wesleaf. So we started off as a 3-month pop-up. That's what we thought it would be. That's all we thought we could afford. And the town really loved the concept. And we are now going on our 3rd year. This is a visual of some of the work that we do. This moss wall was handmade by myself and my team. It is preserved moss. You often see these in like the entryways of buildings and businesses, and it's just a really beautiful way to accentuate your logo or your brand, and it requires no care. My favorite part of the store is our display window. We change it seasonally. It's a fun vibe for Christmas, but we just flipped it for spring, and we like to feature some of our favorite plants in this space. Today we have a Thai constellation as well as a fiddle leaf. Both require tons of light, so we love having them in the window. I was on the hunt for a golden kind of couch situation. I found this one, and then I found a similar piece for our window, and I feel like it really brings the kind of goldish mustard aesthetic that we like. At the front of the store, we have some of our fan favorites. Here you can find some of our succulent designs, our moss balls, some of our lower light designs kind of hidden in the front. These ones are ZZ plants and succulents. Moss balls are great because they're aquatic. They live in water, and you just change the water every week or so using natural water and not tap. That's a trick. And if you're lazy and you do want to use tap water, I suggest using betta fish conditioner because that cleans out all the hard minerals in water. Don't say I told you so. So with clients, our work can look a little differently based on what the client needs. So in terms of, for example, a home design, we have a lot of new homes coming up in the neighborhood. So we might have a client come in and say, I need a plant for my foyer. I have to hit you with a bunch of questions. How big is the foyer? What cardinal direction is the closest window? How often are you home? Is there a heat source in it? So it's really important that I understand the layout. I really choose my clients based on vibes. It's hard to say I run a business that way, but I really, really do. It's important that the people that I choose to work with feel like there's someone I could be friends with, family with, because it's a very long-term relationship. My phone number is literally on every plant care card, and I do get text messages from people saying, is this all right? What do I do? So I really have a one-on-one relationship. Like when you're buying the plant, you're kind of like buying me to go with it, really. A lot of the work I do though does happen directly with designers. So, and I really love those projects for a lot of reasons. You're a small piece of a bigger pie.
I think right now the space feels really hard. The surfaces are really sharp. There are a lot of right angles, and so I'm really looking to you to help me soften it.
I would suggest a pothos. They can come all the way down. And if we're talking about maybe the edge or this space,
I think that would be perfect.
So our studio's only open Saturdays and Sundays, so that gives us time during the week to then do our workout in the field. So that may look like booking a plant repotting for your home where our team comes out and repots your plants. It may look like you want a design installation for an event, so you can rent out our plants in that case, and then we'll bring them out to you as well. So there are literally millions of ways that people use our services, and we really customize it to every client.
So they have north-facing windows, all windows around, so I think they can have some really big tropicals.
In studio right now, we have birds of paradise.
I think the bird of paradise would be really great.
How many are you thinking?
Like 3.
Okay.
I'm gonna take them because they're
You
not.
are not going to make one trip with a wagon. It's so hot outside.
It's not, it's raining.
We can just do it. Let's do it.
They're nuts. They're nuts. My team is in the streets. They are all over New England. Like, there's literally a million different services that we provide. The plant world is endless, and we are there for every moment of it. See what I did there?
Oh, yeah.
Boss bitch shit. Everyone that I have met, I'm gonna cry. Oh my God. The people that stop, hold on, cut. I'm about to cry. Annette, oh my God. No, I'm not about, this is embarrassing. Why didn't you give me these questions ahead of time to avoid shit like this? I don't know how I'm gonna talk about this without crying, but I'm gonna try. I have met some of the most amazing people on the face of this planet because of this business existing. And they come from all over, like worldwide. Whether it's someone who is inspired to start their own business, whether it's someone who had a plant that their mother had, they passed away and left behind and they didn't know how to take care of it, that connection, helping bring that plant back to life. The people that have chosen to be on this journey with me, everyone who works at Wesleaf has full-time careers and families outside of here. It's just been incredible to see what an idea, a thought, a feeling, a passion, and really just following that can do. And you're gonna cut the tape because I need a break. I need a break. Why didn't you give me the questions ahead of time, you? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please remember to subscribe to HGTV Handmade.